Good days. My name is Smjk. These are my members, Tashuan, Ng Wei Jian, and Liu Jiaheng. And our group nasihat is Cikgu Muhammad Asir bin Nasru. Problem statement. Obtaining clean drinking water while camping, especially in damp areas or during rain, can be a significant challenge. Although boiling water is a commonly used method for treating water, this method may be difficult to implement under such conditions. The difficulty of lighting a fire and maintaining it in damp or rainy weather can complicate the boiling process. Introducing our product, portable water dispenser. A water dispenser that features a two-stage water filtration and sterilization process to purify dirty water from river or lake. Firstly, dirty water enters from the top and passes through the carbon-activated filter to filter out chlorine and other sediments. Water then drips down to a collection storage that have a water pump, which will pump the water to the next stage, which is a UV light treatment. After that, water will be transported to a storage tank. Inside the tank, there's a water level sensor that will determine whether if it's full or not. If it's full, power will be stopped and pump 1 along with UV light will be deactivated to prevent overflowing. If it's not full, system will continue as usual until the sensor detects that the tank is full. After that, the system will remain stationary until it receives a water transfer request via the user pushing the micro switch outside. This will activate the pump 2 that's located in the storage tank to pump out water that needed. This is the 3D model of our product. As you can see, there are 3 main containers placed in a triangular shape. These 2 behind are the carbon filter and UV light, while the nearest to the micro switch is the storage tank. At the back is the power supply that will provide power for the system. This is the carbon filter and the UV light. Water will flow along into the tube while it's exposed to the UV, which will sterilize the water. Then there's the storage tank, which have a water level switch and a pump. These are the materials needed for our product. 2 submersible water pump, a water level switch, a 1 meter water pipe, a micro switch, a power bank, a UV light water sterilizer, 3 cardboard, 3 1.5 liter plastic bottle, 1 carbon activated filter, some popsicle sticks, and a Mr. DIY nylon cloth rope. The total cost will be 576 ringgit 10 cents. Thank you.